Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn what are the strings in Python. I have just created a new file tube9.py over here. Now we are going to discuss what are the strings. So basically the strings are the sequence of characters in Python. So what is the definition of the string? It is a sequence of characters. So string can be created by enclosing characters into double or into single quotes. So we can create string. What is the meaning of this line? Let's say we have welcome word. So this is the string. It is created. So it's basically a data type. A string is created. The name of the string is welcome. So we can create string using single quotes or double quotes. It doesn't matter. So now let me discuss the indexing system in string and how we will, if I want to access this C, how I will access this C in Python. So let's start. Let's say we have this string welcome, and these are the indexes. This is called the indexing system. The index always start with 0. Okay, the index always start with 0 and end with the length of string -1. If we have white space in the string, it also give one index to that space. Okay, if I want to access the first index, how we will access? We have to write the name of the string, which is where. So index 0, I am able to access W. If I want to access the last element, so I will access through it like where 7, left to right. So if I want to access the string from right to left, how I'm going to access these types of strings? So just write the name of the string where, then I use -1. Then I am able to access E -1. This is at -2. This is at -3, up to so on. So let's run it in VS Code. So let's say I want to access the first element of the string. So here is the first element. We can access it by placing in scare braces, by placing 0 in scare braces. It is the first index of our string. So if I want to access the whole string by word, so how we will access like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. So let me run it again. So here we can access word by word. You can see it printed space, which is on third index. So this is how we will access the string. So we have learned -1, the last index of the string. So let me print it for you. Here is E. So if I print like -2 and -3, it will print first E, then M, then O. Let me print it for you. EMO. Another concept in strings is slicing. We can slice string and access a part of string which we want to access. So how we will slice? Let's say I want to access 0 to 1 index. So I am able to access W. This 1 where I have placed 1, this is always 1 greater than the length of string. Let's say I have to access the W which is on 0 index, so I have to place 1 greater than the 0. So if I want to access E which is on index 2, so I have to place over here 3. So I am able to access 0 to 3 elements, which is, well, here it is printed. So thank you so much for watching this video.